Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to loop video in Capcut. Right, so it's very easy thing to do. So you have to just drag and drop your clips. So this is my clip right now and this is a normal clip, right? And I just want to loop this clip. So what you have to do, you have to just copy this clip. You can just right click and click on copy, and you can also use in keyboard Control+C. Now here, right, you have to just paste it. So here you can see this is the same video, but if I just play this out, it will start from the starting. So what you have to do, you have to select this clip and you can see this half circle, right? This is basically reverse. So just click on it and it will just take a few seconds to reverse your clip here. And now when it's get 100%, your video has successfully got into loop. Now let me show you what I'm trying to say. So if I just play this video, right? Okay, so did you guys found any difference, right? It's exactly same. We didn't know when the cursor moved from for the first clip to the second clip, right? So this is the interesting part here. If you want to erase any kind of black, as we saw here, there was a black box. This was because of this is in this video, right? So if I just remove it, and now if I just take it back here, and now let me show you, right? Right, so this is how you can just reverse your video, or basically you can just loop your video. Now if you want to do the same thing, I can just click and copy and I will paste it here. I will again click and copy and I will paste it here. Now you can see the difference. So this is how you can just loop your video in CapCut. I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.